ऑडियो वीडियो क्लियर है? यस माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जल्दी से चैट बॉक्स में बता दीजिए क्या ऑडियो वीडियो क्लियर है बच्चों? यस माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ऑडियो वीडियो क्लियर है? Okay, seems everything is good. Okay, yes my dear students, come on, let us quickly go ahead. Yes, hello everyone. Okay, कैसी चल रही है आपकी पढ़ाई? आज के सेशन में हम बहुत ही मजेदार चीज करने वाले हैं. We are going to do the bit questions of direct tax laws and international question. Yes. Good evening everyone. बहुत लोग पूछ रहे ये पीडीएफ आपको कहाँ से मिलेगा? ये आपको मिलेगा हमारे yes, you can get this from our website itself. Okay. yes, बच्चों बता दूं, थोड़ा सा मेरे खांसी के साथ आपको मैनेज करना पड़ेगा आज के दिन. ओके, आज के सेशन में आई डिडंट वांट टू कॉम्प्रोमाइज दिस सेशन बिकॉज जैसे ही बिट क्वेश्चंस इज समथिंग जहां पे आपके 25 मार्क बच्चों आराम से अपने गारंटी हो जाएंगे अगर हमने इसको अच्छे से किया तो. ओके, आर यू रेडी? शैल वी बिगिन? ओके, यस माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यस. so sorry. Yes, so sorry. Okay, let me just disconnect this session. Okay, yeah. So the first question that comes on the screen, TDS on income. हम क्या करने वाले, कौन से कैटेगरी के क्वेश्चंस कर रहे हैं? चूजिंग करेक्ट ऑल्टरनेटिव. ओके, यस, चूजिंग द मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट आंसर माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स. यस, द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट कम्स ऑन द स्क्रीन इज TDS on income from investment in securitization fund is covered under section. तो यहाँ पे अपने को सेक्शन नंबर पूछा गया है. बोलो बच्चों, please tell me what is the section number for TDS on income from investment in securitization fund. Come on my dear friends. Yes. Okay, is it 194 LBC? Is it 194 LBC, my dear students? Yes, it is 194 LBC. So the correct answer for this particular question is 194 LBC. Okay, straightforward question. Yes, the next question also is with respect to stay of proceedings. Now, stay of proceedings. Tell me, my dear friends, stay of proceedings is covered under which section? Yes, under which section? Come on, tell me, my dear friends. Yes, 192, 192A or 193? Yes, stay of proceedings is covered under section. Yes, it is covered under section 225. Section 225. So the correct alternative here, my dear friends, should be D, none of the above. Please excuse me. Okay, yes, shall we go ahead? Okay, which one is the duty of the taxpayer? Yes, tell me, my dear students. Tax planning, tax evasion, tax avoidance or tax management? बोलो बच्चों. Yes, tell me. Yes, tell me, my dear friends. Which is the most correct answer? Yes, which is the responsibility? Yes, absolutely correct. Tax management is the duty of the taxpayer. They are asking about the duty of the taxpayer. Okay, next question. Section dash deals with a rectification of mistakes. Yes, tell me, my dear friends. Rectification of mistakes is dealt with by, yes, bachcho, with section which are apparent from the record in any order passed by AO. Tax planning. See, I'm asking for the duty. The duty is tax management. आपका टैक्स, आप जब कोई ट्रांजैक्शन करते हो, इट इज योर ड्यूटी कि आप उस ट्रांजैक्शन के जो आफ्टर इफेक्ट्स विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टैक्सेस भी आते हैं उनको भी आपको मैनेज करना है. फंड्स अवेलेबल करना है. हाँ, टैक्स प्लानिंग तो इट इज डन एट द डिस्क्रिशन ऑफ द टैक्स पेयर, इट इज नॉट अ ड्यूटी. Okay, yes, so here the answer is yes, section 156, my dear friends. It is section 156. Okay, let us go ahead further. ICDS 2 stands for, bolo bachcho, ICDS 2 stands for what? Yes, ICDS 2 stands for what, my dear friends? Yes, accounting policies, construction contract, revenue recognition, valuation of inventories. It is valuation of inventories, my dear friends. Okay, yes. Now next, yes, health insurance premium paid for Mr. Ram being non-resident, age 70, is deductible up to, bolo bachcho. Yes. Yes, come on. Now, non-resident, his age is 70 years. Now, if age is 70 years, if the age of an individual is 60 years or more, that individual is said to be a senior citizen. Okay, and for senior citizen, health insurance premium का deduction कितना मिलता है बच्चों? बोलो. Yes, 30,000 का मिलता है section 80D के अंदर. Yes or no? Okay, but here the tricky point is that the assessee is a non-resident, and if the assessee is a non-resident, will he get the extended benefit of 30,000 or 25,000? Bolo bachcho. Correct. It is 25,000. Okay, my dear friends. Yes. Come on. Let us go ahead further. Yes. Mr. Xavier, a non-resident individual, received dividend of 12 lakhs from Fair Trading Company Private Limited in August 2016. He has no other income in India. His tax liability for the dividend income would be. Yes, I shall make sure that these MCQs be uploaded at the Telegram channel. Right now, focus on the questions that we are discussing. You will get the PDF, that is my word. I'll make sure it is uploaded on the Telegram channel, my dear friends. Let us for now focus on the questions. Come on. Yes, come on. Tell me. Yes, see what is happening here. Mr. Xavier, who is a non-resident, he is getting what? He is receiving dividend of 12 lakhs, correct, from Fair Trading Company Private Limited. No other income in India. Now his tax liability would be. Now understand, my dear friends, section 115 BBDA. Okay, yes, does it cover non-resident individuals? Tell me. Does it cover non-resident individuals? No, right? Thus, the dividend distributed by the domestic company for which DDT is paid, yes, is eligible under deduction. 115O को याद करो, क्या बोला गया है कि आपको यहाँ पे exemption मिलेगा under which section? Section 1034. बराबर है कि नहीं? Non-resident है, dividend मिल रहा है, बराबर है कि नहीं? Yes. Please excuse me, my dear friends. So, here, what would be the dividend income? What would be the tax liability on the dividend income? It would be nil. It would be what, my dear friends? Clear? Yes, everyone? Okay? Yes, come on. XYZ Private Limited decided to buy back shares from the shareholders. It bought 30,000 shares of rupees 10 each by paying rupees 40 per share. The accumulated profits of the company on the date of buyback was 30 lakhs. The buyback was 30% of the total paid up capital. The tax liability on the company for buyback of shares would be, yes, tell me, my dear friends. Yes, which section would be applicable? It is buyback of shares. What is being asked? That what would be the tax liability on whom? On the company for the buyback of shares. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So now under section 115 QA, if you remember, what has been told to us? What has been told to us? That when shares are liable for buyback in the case of company not being a listed company, okay, the company has to pay 20.6% on the distributed income as tax. Yes or no? Okay. In this company, what has happened? The company has paid how much? Yes, how much? Come on, tell me. Yes, yes. Now, the company has distributed how much? You tell me, my dear friends. Just 1 minute. So sorry. द कंपनी कितना उन्होंने पे किया है मुझे बताओ बच्चों. ओके यस कितना उन्होंने पे किया है 12 lakhs. उसमें से 9 लाख कितना है अक्यूमुलेटेड प्रॉफिट्स है. हाँ है ना. यस ओके सो टैक्स लायबिलिटी वुड बी हाउ मच. यस इट वुड बी 20.6%. ओके ऑल्टरनेटिवली इसको और एक तरीके से कैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं मैं आपको बताती हूँ. ओके अब मुझे बताओ. यस come on, what is the full consideration? Yes, come on, tell me. Yes, it is 30,000, right? 30,000 shares at 40 per share. Yes or no? Okay, that comes to around 12 lakh. Now, out of these, what is the cost of acquisition? 30,000. And tell me, my dear friends, 30,000 shares and paid up value is how much? It bought 30,000 shares of 10 each. Yes, yes, yes. So it is into 10. So that comes to how much? 3 lakhs. Yes. So how much is the excess? The excess comes to 9 lakhs. Correct? Okay. And on this, we have to pay tax of how much? 20.6%. Yes. Getting it, my dear students? Yes. Okay. Yes, come on, let us go ahead further. Kumar Industries is engaged in manufacture of leather products. It was set up in backward area and became eligible for subsidy at the rate 25% for the generator acquired by it for 12 lakhs on 15/12/2016. It received the subsidy in March 17. The amount of depreciation for the year at the applicable rate would be. Come on, tell me. Yes? Come on. Yes? Okay, answers have started. Okay, yes, write the question number and then your answer. That gives an easy way to keep a track so that I can know who is giving the correct answers, who are giving the wrong answers. Yes, yes, come on, my dear friends. Okay, I'll tell you. Now, if subsidy is received, you tell me what happens with the subsidy. Subsidy goes to reduce the cost of asset under section 43(1), right? Okay. So now what happens is the generator is acquired for how much? 12 lakh. Now, subsidy is received for how much? 25%. That is 1/4 is subsidy. So 3 lakh is the subsidy amount. So it is reduced from the cost of asset. So at 9 lakh cost of asset, you will be eligible for depreciation. Now tell me, what is the rate of depreciation for machinery? It is 15%. Okay. Now, my dear students, in the year of acquisition, we need to see that it is used for how many days? Yes, is it used for less than 180 days? Yes. And if yes, you get 0.5% depreciation. So tell me, my dear students, yes, what should be the depreciation rate? Yes, come on. Yes, what should be the rate of depreciation? Come on, my dear friends. Come on. For the year, at the applicable rate would be how much? Yes? Come on. Now it is eligible. Now it is set up in the backward area. If it is set up in the backward area, my dear friends, then in this case what will happen? Yes. I'm unable to get your answers. Absolutely yes. The answer should be 67,500. Yes. It is 67,500. Okay. Let us go ahead further. Miss Pinky resigned from employment from Zeet University. Okay. Just a minute, my dear friends. Yes, you guys proceed to read the next question. Miss Pinky resigned from employment Miss Pinky resigned from employment from Zeet University after serving for 4 years and 8 months. Okay, yes. She received 1,40,000 from recognized provident fund. The amount of tax deductible at source under section 192A would be. Yes, come on. Yes, tax deductible at source. Now, what is the nature of income? Yes, what is the nature of income? The nature of income is what has been received? She received 1,40,000 from recognized provident fund. Now, recognized provident fund से अगर पैसा मिला है, okay, अगर आपको 4th शेड्यूल याद है, पार्ट ए, रूल 8 क्या बोलता है यहाँ पे? Yes, क्या बोला गया है? मतलब इन शॉर्ट टीडीएस की बात कर रही हूँ. तो टीडीएस के रेट्स, व्हाट इज द रेट? यस, अगर 50,000 से ऊपर है, यस, इफ द एग्रीगेट पेमेंट एक्सीड्स 50,000 तो आपको क्या होगा? 10% पे एप्लीकेबल हो जाएगा. यस और नो? यस और नो? ओके, यस. ओके, 10% being 14,000. Now, Mr. Murli employed in a company constructed a residential house property for self-occupation by availing bank loans of 50 lakhs. Interest on the loan was 2,60,000. He paid 1,70,000 up to 31st March 2017. Okay. The amount of interest eligible for deduction. So now what has happened situation? Okay, लोन लिया है और रेसिडेंशियल हाउस प्रॉपर्टी बनाना है. लोन कब लिया है? यस, लोन कब लिया है? क्या बोला गया है? इंटरेस्ट और लोन फॉर द ईयर अमाउंट्स टू सो मच. ही पेड 1,70,000 अप टू 31/3/17. सो इट इज ऑब्वियस कि लोन जो लिया गया है वो ऑन या आफ्टर 1499 लिया गया है. और अगर 1499 के बाद अगर आप लोन लेते हो फॉर कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ रेसिडेंशियल हाउस प्रॉपर्टी, यस, और उसके अगर आपने कंडीशंस फुलफिल किए, इन दैट केस व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम इंटरेस्ट व्हिच इज अवेलेबल? टेल मी माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. Yes, what is the maximum interest allowable? It is 2 lakh. Okay. Yes. Now, next question. Mr. Santhanam is employed in Gamma Limited. He opted for transfer of funds from superannuation fund to National Pension System Trust, referred to in section 80CCD. Okay. And accordingly, 5 lakhs were transferred from approved superannuation fund. So superannuation fund was also approved and to an account held with National Pension Systems Trust. His salary income, excluding the said transfer, amounts to 9,40,000. His total income after considering the transfer would be. So क्या बोला गया है यहाँ कि अप्रूव्ड सुपर एनुएशन फंड में पैसा था वो उन्होंने नेशनल पेंशन सिस्टम्स ट्रस्ट में ट्रांसफर करके लिया. एक्सक्यूज मी. ओके, उन्होंने ट्रांसफर करके लिया और उसके अगेंस्ट उनको क्या मिला है? उनकी सैलरी इनकम थी 9,40,000. अब यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन क्या बोला गया कि उनकी टोटल इनकम कितनी कहलाई जाएगी? बोलो बच्चों, कितनी कहलाई जाएगी टोटल इनकम? मतलब सैलरी के हेड के अंदर वी हैव 9,40,000. अब अगला सवाल ये है कि हमने जो सुपर एनुएशन फंड से ट्रांसफर किया नेशनल पेंशन सिस्टम्स ट्रस्ट को, क्या वो टैक्सेबल होता है? इज इट चार्जेबल टू टैक्स? Yes, so if you remember, it is not chargeable to tax. It is, my dear friends, not chargeable to tax. And if it is not chargeable to tax, in that case, what will happen? If it is not chargeable to tax, तो अपनी जो टोटल इनकम बन के आएगी वो 9,40,000 ही बन के आएगी. So the correct alternative would be A. Clear बच्चों? Okay, yes. Pi Softwares Limited is engaged in BPO at Bengaluru. It acquired computers for 20 lakhs on 10th May 2016. Okay. It also acquired computer softwares. क्या लिया है? Softwares. Okay. The total amount of depreciation claim would be how much? Come on, tell me. Yes, कंप्यूटर लिया है 20 लाख रुपए का और सॉफ्टवेयर लिया है 10 लाख रुपए का. बोलो बच्चों. Yes, come on. अगर हम कंप्यूटर्स की बात करते हैं बच्चों, तो कंप्यूटर पे कितना % डेप्रिसिएशन चार्ज होता है? यस, टेल मी, व्हाट इज द रेट ऑफ डेप्रिसिएशन ऑन कंप्यूटर्स फॉर योर फ्रेंड्स? यस, इज इट 60%? Is it 60%? Yes, it is 60%. Now, computers are acquired for 20 lakhs and softwares are acquired for 10 lakhs. अब सवाल ये आता है कि जो आपने सॉफ्टवेयर खरीदा है, क्या ये सॉफ्टवेयर कंप्यूटर्स के प्राइस में ऐड हो जाएगा? बोलो बच्चों. यस, वेरी गुड सत्य प्रकाश, बिल्कुल सही जवाब. सॉफ्टवेयर जो है, यस, सॉफ्टवेयर जो है उसके लिए क्या हो जाएगा? यस, यस, सॉफ्टवेयर जो है उसके लिए हम बिजनेस एक्सपेंडिचर के लिए क्लेम कर सकते हैं. यस, एंड 20% जो 20 लाख का आपने जो कंप्यूटर खरीदा है उस पर आपको 60% मिल जाएगा. तो आपका सही जवाब निकल के आता है बी 12 लाख. क्लियर? यस. नाउ बीटा लिमिटेड ऑफ मुंबई इज सब्सिडियरी, यस, of Unity Inc. of USA. Beta Limited purchased goods from Unity Inc. Transfer pricing adjustment would arise between them when? Now, let us first analyze the question. There is a Beta Limited, okay, yes, of Mumbai. That means this company is a resident company. Okay, now this company is a subsidiary. That means this company as a holding company. अब holding company कौन है? Unity Inc. of USA. तो ये हो गई क्या? Non-resident. No problem. Okay. Yes, it is a subsidiary. Subsidiary है मतलब क्या है? Yes, क्या उसके लिमिट से ज़्यादा है? Yes, okay. तो यहाँ पे इन दोनों में क्या है? इन दोनों को एसोसिएटेड एंटरप्राइज कहा जाएगा. जी हाँ, एसोसिएटेड एंटरप्राइज कहा जाएगा. अब बीटा लिमिटेड ने क्या किया है? बीटा लिमिटेड ने गुड्स को क्या किया है? परचेज किया है फ्रॉम यूनिटी इंक. ओके, ठीक है. यस, अब बीटा इंक ने अगर अपने रिश्तेदार से, अपने एसोसिएटेड एंटरप्राइज से गुड्स खरीदा है, ओके, तो अब ट्रांसफर प्राइसिंग हम कब एप्लीकेबल करेंगे? सिचुएशन को समझने की कोशिश करो कि अगर कोई रिश्तेदार अगर हम रिश्तेदार से कोई चीज खरीदते हैं तो क्या हो जाता है? यस, तो क्या हो जाता है? देयर इज अ possibility that there be a manipulation in the purchase price. Purchase goes out to be what? Expenses. तो गवर्नमेंट क्या चाहेगी? हम ऐसा, गवर्नमेंट क्या बोलती है कि आप अपना परचेज प्राइस, ओके, कितना होना चाहिए? आर्म्स लेंथ प्राइस जितना ही होना चाहिए. ओके, यस, तब तक अगर रहा तो हमको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बट अगर आप आर्म्स लेंथ प्राइस से ज्यादा खर्चा क्लेम करते हो तो आपकी प्रॉफिट्स इतने कम हो जाएंगे, उतना टैक्स आप इंडिया में कम पे करोगे. यस, और यस, तो यहाँ पे ट्रांसफर प्राइसिंग हम कब एप्लीकेबल कर देंगे? ट्रांसफर प्राइसिंग हम एप्लीकेबल कर देंगे अगर ये जो रिश्तेदार है, अगर ये अपनी होल्डिंग कंपनी से कोई गुड्स खरीद रहा है और अगर उनका परचेज प्राइस अपने आर्म्स लेंथ प्राइस से बच्चों क्या बोल रहा है? ज्यादा बोल रहा है. इन दैट केस द प्रोविजंस विल इंटरवीन और हम आर्म्स लेंथ प्राइस कंप्यूट करेंगे और आर्म्स लेंथ प्राइस के हिसाब से सारा की सारा कैलकुलेशन करेंगे. सो द करेक्ट ऑल्टरनेटिव हियर शुड बी purchase price is more than arm's length price, less than. It should be if the purchase price is more than arm's length price. अगर इंडिया में खर्चा ज्यादा क्लेम हो रहा है, in that case sorry my dear students, please bear with me. Okay, yes. तो ट्रांसफर प्राइसिंग प्रोविजंस एप्लीकेबल हो जाएंगे. अगला सवाल, बीजेपी लिमिटेड रिसीव्ड रॉयल्टी ऑफ 10 lakhs in respect of patent developed and registered in India. The income tax payable on the royalty shall be. अब रॉयल्टी के केस, कम ऑन, यस, बीजेपी को क्या मिला है इंडिया में? रॉयल्टी. इट इज डेवलप्ड एंड रजिस्टर्ड इन इंडिया. ओके, तो यहाँ पे टैक्स रेट कितना एप्लीकेबल हो जाता है? 10%. ओके, अगला सवाल, In the case of assessee who is covered under section 44 AD, the amount of tax payable by way of advance tax shall be paid on or before. बताओ, यस, अगर वो 44 AD में कवर्ड है और अगर एडवांस टैक्स पे करना है तो कब पे करना है? वेरी सिंपल एंड स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड क्वेश्चन, 15th of March. अगला सवाल आपकी स्क्रीन पे. When a motor car is acquired for 12 lakhs, when a motor car is acquired for 12 lakhs by Mr. Johnson on 1st of November 2016 by availing bank loan of 10 lakhs for such acquisition, the car selling the motor car must collect tax at source at. अब अगर आपको सेक्शन 206 1F याद होगा, 260 1F क्या बोलता है वो सेक्शन कि एवरी पर्सन बीइंग अ सेलर, अगर उसको कोई कंसिडरेशन मिल रहा है, किसके लिए कंसिडरेशन मिल रहा है? फॉर सेल ऑफ मोटर व्हीकल. ओके, और कितना मिल रहा है? एक्सीडिंग 10 लाख रुपए. तो क्या बोला है? यस, क्या बोला गया है कि आपको 1% ऑफ सेल कंसिडरेशन जो है वो टीसीएस के फॉर्म में लेना पड़ेगा. ओके, अब सवाल ये आया कि जो 1% लेंगे वो किस पे लेंगे? पूरे की पूरे अमाउंट पे लेंगे. सो 12 लाख पे 1% कितना आता है बच्चों? यस, इट इज 12,000. It is 12,000 on 1% or at 1% on entire sale price. Okay. Next question. When Mr. Arun, age कितनी है अरुण की? 50, has business loss of 15 lakhs. कितने का business loss है बोलो बच्चों? 15 lakhs. And unexplained cash credit. Okay. Yes. Of 20 lakhs, the total tax liability including cess would be. Very 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 interesting question. बोलो बच्चों, बोलो. Yes, yes, very 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 nice question. Yes, tell me what should be the answer. Yes. अब क्या हुआ है? जो अनएक्सप्लेन्ड कैश क्रेडिट है, ओके, अनएक्सप्लेन्ड इनकम, कंसील्ड इनकम, इसके अगेंस्ट आप कोई भी बिजनेस लॉस एडजस्ट नहीं कर सकते. और ये जो है 20 लाख का, इस पे 30% का टैक्स एप्लीकेबल हो जाएगा. बराबर है. सो 20 लैक्स इंटू 30% अगर आप करते हो तो 6 लाख आ गया. और 6 लाख पे 4% सेस, 6 लाख पे 4% सेस. हाँ, ऊपर एक क्वेश्चन में मैंने 20.6% बोला है. हाँ, इट शुड बी 20.8%. ओके, यस यस यस. तो 6 लाख पे अपना सेस आ जाएगा 4% का. यस, बराबर है. तो कितना आ जाएगा? इट शुड बी 6,24,000. सो दिस ऑल्टरनेटिव शुड बी 6,24,000. क्लियर बच्चों? यस. ओके, अब आगे. In December 2016, Excel Limited and Exceed Limited got amalgamated to form Excellence Limited. Okay. The expenditure for the purpose of amalgamation, total expenditure कितना था? 10 लाख रुपए. The amount of amalgamation expenditure deductible for assessment year 17-18 would be. बोलो बच्चों, कितना रहेगा? यस. I'm sorry. ये सेक्शन 35 DD के अंदर क्या बोला गया है, क्या बोला गया कि 1/5 आपको मिल जाएगा। सो 10 लाख का 1/5 बन के आएगा 2 लाख रुपए। क्लियर? ओके, लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Venus traders engaged in turmeric trade with a turnover exceeding 200 lakhs dispatched its goods through Indian Railways. Okay. The amount of freight payable as on 31/3/17 was 1,40,000. It wants to claim the freight as expenditure. To satisfy such claim, it has to pay the freight to Indian Railways. बताओ, Indian Railways को जो भी आप पेमेंट करते हैं, yes, it is covered under section. Yes, it is covered under section. Yes, Delhi. It will be covered under section 43B. और section 43B के अंदर जो भी आपको पेमेंट करना है, this payment has to be made before the due date specified in section 139(1). Okay. A capital asset being shares in a private company, yes, held for more than dash months shall be a long-term capital asset. In case of private company, my dear friends, shares in a private company, the number of years holding is how much? The number of months holding. Yes, yes, a very straightforward question. 24 months. Further. When wife Lakshmi, being legal heir of Uday Kumar, receives 10 lakhs from National Pension System Trust, the amount of receipt chargeable to tax is, okay, yes, when wife Lakshmi, she is who? Legal heir. She has received income from National Pension System Trust under section 80CCD. What have we seen? That if you get any money from National Pension System Trust under section 80CCD, and if you are a legal heir, in that case, what has been told to us? That, yes, how much amount should be taxable? No amount should be chargeable to tax. In case of non-government employee, the monetary limit for exemption in case of leave salary at the time of retirement. Come on, how much is the limit for leave? How much is it? It is 3 lakh rupees. It is 3 lakh rupees. Okay, yes, further. Penalty for failure to furnish statement of financial transaction is, tell me very straight. Yes. Yes, it is rupees 100 for every day of delay. Okay. Again, every person being a company has to file its return of income only if it has any positive income or it wants to carry forward the loss. Yes, what have we seen? That if the assessee is a company, you have to compulsorily file return of income, irrespective of how much income, nature of whether the income is positive, negative, nothing matters. So this statement is false, my dear students. Yes, okay. Yes, further. the chief executive officer of every political the chief executive officer of every political party has to file the return of income of the party if the total income of the party without giving effect to the provisions of section dash exceed the maximum amount not chargeable to income tax. In case of political party, all the exemptions, deductions are available under section 13A. Right? So without giving effect to the provisions of section 13A. Okay. What is the due date of filing the return of income in case the company is required to furnish report under section form number 3CEB under section 92E. For all the transaction under section 92E, it is 30th of November of the assessment year. It is always November 30 of the assessment year. Okay. Yes, one of the following can be carried forward even if return of income is filed after due date. Yes, unabsorbed depreciation, business loss, short-term capital loss, long-term capital loss. It is always, yes, unabsorbed depreciation. Whether you file return of income, whether you do not file return of income, nothing matters. Return filed under following sections can be revised under section 139.5. Yes, 139.1, 139.4 and 139.5. Yes, now 139.1 is what? In case of 139.1, 139.4, if there are, can a revised return be filed? Yes. Can a revised return be again revised? Yes. So, all of the above should be the right answer. Okay, let us go ahead further. Assessment under following section is termed as scrutiny assessment. Yes, scrutiny assessment हम किसको बोलते हैं बच्चों? कौन से सेक्शन में कवर होता है? 143.3 क्योंकि 144 में तो BJ बेस्ट जजमेंट असेसमेंट कवर होता है. Which of the following can be corrected while processing the return of income under section 143.1? Yes, any arithmetical error, any mistake. Mistake is an intentional error. Any claim by taxpayer which is against law. So C and D is out of question. Amongst A and B, yes, any error or any arithmetical error. Any arithmetical error. So sorry. Any arithmetical error in the return. Okay, can be corrected. Intimation under section 143.1 can be sent within a period of dash year from the end of the financial year in which return of income is filed. Yes, 143.1 का कब intimation भेजा जा सकता है? Within 1 year. Yes, notice under section 143.2 should be served within a period of dash from the end of the financial year in which the return is filed. It is always, my dear friends, 6 months. How much duration? 6 months. The objective of carrying out assessment under section 147 is to bring yes, it speaks of section 147. Yes, scrutiny हम लोग क्यों करते हैं कि if any income has escaped assessment तो उसको हम बाइनोकुलर्स में इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट लेके आ सके. Okay, further let's go to the next question. MAT shall also apply minimum alternate tax shall not apply to any income accruing or arising. Yes, accruing or arising. बोलो बच्चों. To a company from life insurance business, then banking business, business of transmission of electricity, all of the above. It is life insurance business. It is life insurance business. Yes. Book profit for the purpose. Did I miss a question? Oh, yes. 35th question. We missed 35th question. I'm so sorry. Yes, I just scrolled down. Yes. 115 GB. Every taxpayer liable to pay MAT. Yes, MAT at what percent? 18.5%. Yes. Further, book profit for section 115 JB means net profit as shown in the statement of profit and loss prepared in accordance with. Tell me, my dear friends. Yes, under which schedule? Yes, we prepared the statement of profit and loss. Yes, it is schedule 3. It is schedule 3, my dear students. Okay, let us go ahead further. In case of non-corporate taxpayer, AMT is levied at -% of adjusted total income. Yes, it is also 18.5%. Every non-corporate taxpayer to whom the provisions of AMT apply is required to obtain a report from chartered accountant in form number dash on or before the due date of filing the return of income. कौन सा फॉर्म होता है? बोलो बच्चों. Yes, it is every non-corporate taxpayer. It is always 29B. Yes, and every company to whom provisions of MAT apply. Assessee's company is required to obtain a report from chartered accountant. Yes. Okay. Wait, students. In case of non-corporate taxpayer, it is 29C, and in case of company, corporate taxpayer, it is always 29B. It is always 29B. Okay. While computing book profit under section 115 JB, one of the following is required to be reduced. Okay. So unabsorbed depreciation, brought forward business loss as per books of accounts, brought forward loss or unabsorbed depreciation, whichever is less, income tax paid or payable if not already debited. It is definitely, the answer is C, brought forward loss or unabsorbed depreciation, whichever is less, my friends. Okay. Yes. Question 42. While computing adjusted total income ATI under section 115 JC, total income is required to be increased among others by one of the following. Means ये deductions आपको allowed नहीं है. Okay. Yes, तो 115 JC में हमने क्या देखा है कि आपको सेक्शन 80H से 80 RRB का डिडक्शन आपको अलाउ नहीं होगा except section 80B. Okay. Yes, MAT credit. Come on, MAT credit can be carried forward and set off for 15 years. Next question for the day. Generally, a domestic company is taxable at 30%. However, in one circumstances, it is taxable at 25%. Now, if you look at the options, my dear friends, here limit should be 400 crores, but here options are as per the old, it's not updated. So let us ignore this question. Okay, further. As per section 178(3), the dash of a company has to intimate the tax authority before he parts with any of the assets of the company or the properties in his hands, and has to set aside the amount, if any, intimated to him by the tax authorities. It is always to be the liquidator. It has to be the liquidator. Yes. As per section dash, the tax authorities can direct taxpayer to get his accounts audited from a chartered accountant nominated by PCC or CC. Okay. Special audit. Special audit is conducted under which section, my dear friends? Under section 142 2A. Under section 142 2A. Okay. Now, number, no order of rectification can be passed after the expiry of dash from the end of the financial year in which order sought to be rectified was passed. It is 4 years. In case of an application made by the assessee under section 154, the income tax authority shall rectify the order or refuse the rectification within dash from the end of the month in which the application is received by the authority. Means कितना time limit होता है section 154 के अंदर? Yes, time limit होता है कितना? It is 6 महीने का time limit के हाथ में होता है. Okay. If a person fails to comply with the provisions related to PAN, the penalty can be levied under section. अगर पैन के प्रोविजंस आपने कॉम्प्लाई नहीं की तो आपको पेनल्टी कौन से सेक्शन के अंडर लागू होती है? 272B. ओके. यस. 50th question, half century, my dear friends. MAT stands for minimum alternate tax. Minimum alternate tax. ओके. यस. तो ऐसे ही कई सारे आपको MCQs मिलेंगे. हमने एक 50 बिट क्वेश्चंस का ब्लॉक, चूज द करेक्ट आंसर फ्रॉम द ऑल्टरनेटिव्स का ब्लॉक हमने कवर किया है. ऐसे ही आपके पास 4 ब्लॉक्स अवेलेबल है इस पर्टिकुलर पीडीएफ में. ये पीडीएफ हम आपको हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल पे अपलोड करवा देंगे. आप वहां से ले सकते हो, हमारी वेबसाइट से ले सकते हो. यस. एंड देन यस 47 में एक्सप्लेन करो. अरे उन्होंने बोला है कि आप रेक्टिफिकेशन ऑर्डर जो है, नो ऑर्डर ऑफ रेक्टिफिकेशन कैन बी पास आफ्टर द एक्सपायरी ऑफ, मतलब रेक्टिफिकेशन ऑर्डर का एक्सपायरी डेट 4 साल है फ्रॉम द एंड ऑफ द फाइनेंशियल ईयर इन विच ऑर्डर टू बी रेक्टिफाइड वॉज पास्ड. ओके. यस यस यस. ओके. सो ऐसे कई क्वेश्चन आपको मिल जाएंगे. यस. तो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ कि आप ये पीडीएफ को अवेलेबल कीजिए, इन एमसीक्यूज को, बिट क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व कीजिए. दीज बिट क्वेश्चंस विल गारंटी यू, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, दीज बिट क्वेश्चंस विल गारंटी यू द मैक्सिमम मार्क्स. यस, जहाँ पे आप अपने मार्क्स को स्कोर कर सकते हो. गेटिंग इट, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स? यस. ओके. सो ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. Solve all the bit questions and prepare thoroughly, yes, for your exams, direct tax laws and international taxation. Okay, my dear friends? Yes, everyone? Yes? Okay, did you enjoy the session? Did you enjoy the session, my dear friends? Yes? Okay. सी यू ऑल सून, ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट। ओके, मिलेंगे फिर से जब हम बिट क्वेश्चंस करेंगे इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स लॉस के। ओके, टिल देन टेक केयर, स्टडी वेल, रिवाइज वेल, और ये बिट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना भूलना नहीं बच्चों। ओके, यस यस यस, बाय बाय एंड टेक केयर। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच।